As electric vehicles, EVs, become more common, having a reliable home charging solution is essential. A good EV charger can enhance convenience, reduce charging time, and ensure compatibility with your vehicle. Let's check out 5 of the best-selling EV chargers, each with its standout features and benefits. 1. HomeFlex Level 2 EV Charger J. The HomeFlex Level 2 EV charger is a robust and versatile option for EV owners. It supports up to 50 amps and is compatible with J1772 connectors, making it suitable for most EVs. Its weatherproof design allows for indoor and outdoor installation, and the charger offers adjustable amperage to match your home's electrical capacity. Additionally, the HomeFlex charger includes a user-friendly mobile app for scheduling and monitoring charging sessions. This charger is popular for its flexibility and reliability. Whether installed in a garage or outdoors, its durable construction ensures long-term performance. Its broad compatibility makes it a favorite among a wide range of EV users. 2. Tesla Wall Connector. Specifically engineered for Tesla vehicles, the Tesla Wall Connector seamlessly blends sleek aesthetics with robust charging capabilities. This Level 2 charger is designed to deliver up to 48 amps of power, significantly minimizing charging times. The 24-foot cable offers flexibility in parking scenarios, accommodating various vehicle positions. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity facilitates remote monitoring and effortless firmware updates, ensuring the charger remains up to date with the latest enhancements. Tesla owners highly value the seamless integration of the wall connector into the broader Tesla ecosystem. Its exceptional efficiency and elegant design make it the preferred choice for those seeking fast charging and a refined aesthetic that complements their Tesla vehicle. 3. Tesla Universal Wall Connector. The Tesla Universal Wall Connector caters to households with multiple EVs by supporting both J1772 and Tesla's proprietary connectors. With a capacity of up to 48 amps and a 24-foot cable, it offers the same charging speed and flexibility as the standard Tesla wall connector, while expanding compatibility to non-Tesla vehicles. This charger is popular for its versatility. It's perfect for families with diverse EV models, offering flexibility without compromising on performance. Tesla's commitment to inclusivity has made the Universal Wall Connector a top choice for multi-EV households. EMPORIA Level 2. EMPORIA Level 2 EV charger stands out in the market with its blend of smart features and user-friendly design. Compatible with NEMA 14, 50 outlets, it delivers a robust 48 amps of power, significantly accelerating charging times compared to standard Level 1 options. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, the charger integrates seamlessly with a dedicated app. This app grants users granular control, allowing for detailed energy tracking, personalized charging schedules, and timely notifications. The 24-foot cable further enhances convenience, providing ample reach for comfortable parking and charging. A key factor driving user satisfaction is the charger's emphasis on energy management. By enabling precise monitoring of electricity consumption and facilitating optimized charging habits, the EMPORIA charger empowers eco-conscious drivers. This empowers users to minimize their environmental impact, reduce electricity costs, and maximize the efficiency of their electric vehicle charging experience. 5. EVICO Level 2 EV Charger is designed for high-performance charging while prioritizing energy efficiency. It offers flexibility with support for both NEMA 14, 50 plug-in and hardwired installation options, catering to diverse home setups. Delivering a robust 48-amp capacity, it significantly reduces charging times. The charger includes a generous 25-foot cord, ensuring ample reach for convenient parking and charging. Its Energy Star certification underscores its commitment to environmental sustainability, while UL listing guarantees safety and reliability. This charger has gained popularity among EV owners due to its successful blend of performance and eco-efficiency. The combination of a long cable, versatile installation options, and energy-saving features makes it a practical and dependable choice for a wide range of electric vehicle users. Choosing the right EV charger depends on your specific requirements, such as vehicle compatibility, charging speed, and installation preferences. The HomeFlex Level 2 and EMPORIA Level 2 chargers offer flexibility and smart features, while the Tesla Wall Connector and Universal Wall Connector provide unparalleled performance for Tesla vehicles and multi-EV households. For those seeking energy efficiency and reliability, The EVICO Level 2 charger is a standout option. Investing in a top-quality EV charger ensures your vehicle is always road-ready, making home charging both convenient and efficient. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.